Hi there, welcome to Module 1. I just want to give you an overview of how each module works. So there's 16 modules, and you can see I have them listed all on your home page. And each module, there's a Wednesday due date. And then on Thursday, the next module will open up, so you have a whole week to work on that one. So if you click on Module 1, you'll see every module starts with an introduction and instructions. And you just read what you need to do and then click next at the bottom to go to the next page. So for the first module, it's all about setting up Canvas, learning about Canvas, and reading the syllabus. So right here in the quiz instructions, there's links. So if you haven't done this, make sure you click on the link and do this before taking the quiz. You can see here that you can take the quiz 2 times. So there's no reason you should not get 50 points on this quiz. As long as you're doing everything beforehand, it's not meant to be tricky. It's just to make sure that you understand what's expected of you this next 16 weeks. So after the quiz, you just go down and click next again, and that's just how each module will work. You just click through each module. So good luck. And remember, you can always email me through the Canvas inbox, which is over here, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, good luck on your first module.